Here it comes. Look at that. Woo! Hey guys, I bought another one. I just got this from Copart this morning. From Copart down in Tucson. Drove it actually out of the place. I got a 3-day temp tag, put insurance on it, and drove it right out. It was actually stone dead. Jumped it and actually made it here, surprisingly. But as you guys can see, this one here is not damaged. This is actually a recovered stolen vehicle. And my plan with this truck is actually I want to take this sport bumper with the tow hook, sport grill, this perfectly clean Arizona bed. This has been an Arizona truck its entire life, and I want to put it all on the O2. Obviously I have it painted and stuff, so that's kind of the plan with it as of right now. This is a freaking clean truck, you guys. Like, honestly, really nice. It was recovered, stolen. Also, I think there's a pretty big story behind this thing. And during the time it was stolen, I think this thing had a pretty crazy life, committing a bunch of crimes, because what I found inside, you guys, is pretty dang crazy. But there's a lot of stuff in there to commit some crimes. This would be a criminal's dream to get this truck right here. You can see the side marker lights are damaged. They're broken out on both sides, so you know you can be stealthy at night, not have any reflective stuff, I guess. But really clean truck. I actually picked this thing up for a little over $4,000 off Copart, and it's pretty dang nice, you guys. Like, taking a look at it, it's a 1500 V8 2001 4-wheel drive with the off-road package. Got dual exhaust down there. The only thing it's needed, I just had a tech take a look at it. It needed a battery, so threw a new battery in it because it was causing like a check gauges light and it to be a little weird. But threw a new battery in it, and so far it is perfect. I don't see any problems with it. Oh, I forgot to take that off. Had a bunch of these little skull badges. I need to peel these off right here. Not really my style, but look at that, comes off real easily. So I have to sit there and peel all that off. The other side, this is really the only damage. A little bit on the sport bumper, which kind of sucks, and then this ding right here. And yeah, you guys, this bed is full of stuff. I've actually added up everything in the vehicle, and I've gained about $800 to $1,000 worth of tools in this truck. So it's pretty much a starter kit to, if we go back here and take a look inside, look at this. This is crazy. Pop this thing open, and we got a full starter kit. We got jacks, we got sawzalls. There's more underneath the back seat in there. Full tool kits to basically, I think, steel wheels and tires and steel catalytic converters. I think whoever stole this truck was in the business. By the way, look at the interior on this thing. Pretty dang beautiful. Look at this dash. Not a single crack in it. Just the bezel is cracked, but it's not even an overlay either, I don't think. Like, that is pretty dang nice. Coming back here, look at this. This was all in the truck, by the way. We got a Milwaukee, and it works. Had a for sale sign on it too for $13K, but it has someone's phone number there. But look at this. Has a working Milwaukee sawzall right there. Has a working sawzall, a big O impact. Like, I'm pretty sure this was being used after it was stolen to basically steal wheels and tires and steal catalytic converters, because a full criminal setup right here. This is pretty dang crazy. I wonder the story behind it, because that is just insane. But really nice truck here. Let's start it up for you guys. Look at that, starts right up. Look at the miles, only 123 on it. Right up, no lights. Well, of course, those just popped up. Those haven't been popped up. Oh, there we go. No lights on the dash or anything. It said it actually was getting like 13, but all this stuff reset. Actually, I want to see, since I restarted it, has any of it reset? It keeps, oh no, okay, so now it's actually working now that we got a new battery in there. Nice, but listen to this. Not a bad little exhaust for this thing. It's pretty dang nice. I really do like it. It's a fully loaded truck, basically. Has power seats and the Infinity sound system, power windows, door locks. It's got about everything, and yeah, this is a nice little find here. Not too bad. Not too much to rebuild. My plan as of right now is to obviously put some new headlights, some turn signals in there, and I can't get a dang level 3 inspection done till January, and it's the end of November right now, so I am basically can't really drive it other than buying 3-day permits, which, I mean, they're only $1, but I will be, I guess, just to move it here and there, but otherwise I'll probably park it and probably start taking parts off of it, because it's got the off-road package, so it actually has like a full skid plate on the fuel tank. So I wonder if like stuff like that will transfer over and fit on the O2. But really, my plan as of now is, I mean, I'm in at $4 grand. I got maybe about almost $1,000 in tools, which is pretty dang cool. Nice little find there. I'm surprised I was able to drive it out of the place. That's pretty dang awesome. Gosh, you guys, look at that. Got all of them up and running. Man, just living the dream. Look at these. So good. From quietest to loudest, from the oldest to the newest. Man, the green truck just looking the best. Dang, these trucks just look so good. Let's get an exhaust of all of them. Back ends. Woo, look at that. Dang, does that look good right there. Man, does that look good? Woo-wee. Good. Woo, look good too. Yes. Nice little exhaust. Every one of them. To the stock truck. Man. Oh, I love these right now. That one's for sale, but man, do I wish I could keep them all. Looks so good. I haven't made a video on the green truck here, but it did get all painted. I'm just doing some final little work. I didn't have this done because they wanted like $500 to do the rust repair. So I've been sitting here actually just now doing it. I sanded it, primered it, just filled it in with some Bondo, and I'm just gonna give it a shot myself to get this all looking good. So I got some new paint right there, some green color match paint here, which I've used before, and it is actually a pretty good match. So we're gonna give this a shot right here. I just need to sand it down, and then we will wax and grease remover, put another little coat of primer, and should get ready to paint. I got this thing now all sanded, primered, and then just sanded again. Got it all taped off. Just gonna spray these edges here, just, you know, out in the open. Should be good. And we'll see how this turns out here real quick with just some AutoZone or O'Reilly's. I don't even remember where I got it from. Duplicolor color match paint. See if one can do this. I got cash here. Yeah, hey buddy. I'm gonna tack cloth it, put some adhesion promoter, and then go on with the paint here. And then I just got some 1K clear for the end. Clear coat right here. So I'm gonna try doing the rocker first and then the doors. So let's give this a try. There it is. There's kind of how it turned out. I'll show you guys in the daylight, but it's night now. Just taking this last bits off here and kind of seeing what it looks like, and color match isn't too bad. Guys, here's how it turned out. Not too bad, but can't really tell if there was rust there. It looks pretty decent, honestly. Just a little bit right there where the Bondo kind of came off, but this is way better than what it is, so I'm happy. It looks good. Yeah, you guys, there it is. There's the truck all done, ready to be put up for sale. Full sport Laramie, looking beautiful. And yeah, I love it, you guys. I wish I could keep it, but I just bought a gasser, and I want to do some bed swappage with the O2. And there's also another few trucks. I don't know, I just want to keep working my way up. I want to try to get up to a newer truck. So I'd love to keep this one, but just need to sell it, get the money from it. Look at that. That is just beautiful. A sport. Woo! Looks awesome. This truck really did turn out great. Look inside, beautiful Laramie interior, looking good with the manual transmission. That is just amazing. I got the Smarty on it right now on level 5 with the adjustments adjusted just right, and this truck is perfect, getting about 20 miles per gallon. Just amazing. Absolutely loving the green truck. I mean, I definitely want another manual. I really want a 6-speed in the future for sure. Yeah, you guys, that sport front end just looks amazing. We're going to be making the O2 look like this, but look underneath, looking good. Yeah. This is going to be a nice truck. But yeah, you guys, I also did with the, if you guys haven't seen, I also sold the red truck. So that's gone, sold that for $15,500. You guys remember what I was into it. So made a good chunk of change there. And I bought a gasser, $1,500. So we're going to try to just steal some parts off of it for the O2, like the bed, the sport front end. And then we will go on with some other stuff. And then we'll probably sell it, try to make a little bit of money. Dang. Man, that thing sounds awesome. There goes my truck. Man. I'm like getting a new Raptor on trade. We got the exhaust in Baja Sport mode. This is the exact color I wanted to order. Love it, man. Love this truck. I wish I could have got one when they were cheap. Now this thing's freaking way too much. They gave them 69 grand. This thing has like 17,000 miles on it. Damn, does it sound really good? That was way better than my old Raptor. The sound, the acceleration was about the same, but wow, love the sound on this thing.